In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund from Monzo Bank 2025 simple step-by-step guide. Start by opening the Monzo app on your phone. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection and that the app is up to date, since refund options can depend on the latest features. Once you're in, you'll be on your main feed where all your recent activity appears. Next, find the transaction you want refunded. Scroll through your feed or use the search bar to type the merchant name or the amount. Double check you're looking at the correct card or account if you use multiple accounts, and note the date and amount so you don't pick the wrong payment. Tap the transaction to open its details page. This screen shows the merchant, category, time, and any notes. It's a good place to confirm everything matches what you expected. If the payment is still pending, some options may be limited until it settles, but you can still proceed with the next checks. Look to see if Request Refund appears on this page. If you see it, tap it, and follow the prompts. You'll typically be asked to confirm the reason, such as being charged incorrectly or not receiving what you paid for. Read each prompt carefully and provide accurate information because it helps Monzo and the merchant process the refund faster. After you submit, you'll get a confirmation in the app, and you can monitor the status from the same transaction screen. If you don't see a refund option, use the in-app help from the transaction page to get support. You should see a way to report an issue or start a chat related to that specific payment. Opening help from the transaction keeps everything linked to the right payment, which speeds up the investigation. When support is open, clearly explain the issue. Keep it concise and factual. Include the date, amount, merchant, what went wrong, and what outcome you're seeking. If the issue involves a duplicate charge, a cancellation, or an item not received, say so plainly. Avoid sharing sensitive information like full card numbers or personal security details. If you have a reference number or a short description, that's often enough context for the team to begin. Now wait for review. Monzo will assess the details, may reach out for clarification, and will update you in the app. Turn on notifications so you don't miss messages. Timeframes can vary depending on the merchant and the card network, but you can check the chat or the transaction page for status updates. Stay responsive if the team asks follow-up questions, and you'll help the process move along smoothly. That's the full flow. Follow these steps in the app, and you'll be on your way to resolving refund issues confidently.